everybody! Today we're learning all about short
O words.
O words. So we have a lot of fun stuff for you guys today, so let's get started. So let's start off by playing a little game by reading the word out loud and finding the correct picture. Log. Can you find log? I see a brown log. Box. Can you find box? The big box is open. Dot. Can you find a dot? The arrow is pointing to the white dot. Cot. Can you find a cot? In preschool, I used to sleep on a cot. Fog. Can you find fog? There was a lot of fog this morning. Mop. Can you find a mop? I clean the floor using a mop. Pop. Can you find pop? I pop the balloon with a pin. Can you find frog? Can you find sob? Can you find log? Can you find pop? Can you find rot? Can you find cob? Can you find hot? Let's go ahead and learn about some short O word families. Let's look at OP family words.
Pop, hop, chop, mop, top, shop.
Good job. The short OT family words.
Pot, hot, rot, knot,
Got.
dot.
Good job. Here is the OG family words.
Dog,
Jog,
jog,
smog,
smog, fog, log,
hog.
hog.
Good job. And lastly, the OB family words.
Cob,
Sob,
sob, job, rob, bob,
snob.
snob.
Good job. Let's create sentences. Can you create a sentence? Make sure to look for keywords. For example, a capital letter is the beginning of a sentence, and a period comes at the very end of a sentence.
The pot is hot.
Good job. Can you create a sentence? Make sure to look for keywords. For example, a capital letter is the beginning of a sentence, and a period comes at the very end of a sentence.
I like my job.
Good job. Can you create a sentence? Make sure to look for keywords. For example, a capital letter is the beginning of a sentence, and a period comes at the very end of a sentence.
Today is very hot.
Nice. Can you create a sentence? Sahil, which one do you think would come first? Tom, jog, or can?
Tom.
Tom. And which one will come at the very end?
Jog.
Jog. Good.
Tom can jog.
Good. We will go ahead and do a couple more. Go ahead and create a sentence.
I like to mop.
Do you?
Yeah.
So for this one, since it's a 6-word sentence, it can get a bit confusing. So really focus on saying whatever you plug in and see if it makes sense. For example, the would be first because that's the beginning of the sentence, and log would be at the very end. So we have the words, dog is on a left. So go ahead and start practicing and rearranging the words to make the complete sentence. Good luck.
The dog is on a log.
Awesome. My favorite, let's go ahead and create stories with short O words. This story we will focus on the OP family. The shop. Tom went to the shop with his mom. Tom needed to get popcorn and a mop. Tom saw a cop car pass by. Tom wanted to hop while entering the shop. Go ahead and pause the video and try to find the OP family words. Okay, go ahead for number 1 in your notebooks. List all the OP family words. And for number 2, what did Tom need to get from the shop? Okay, what are the OP family words?
Shop, pop, mop, cop, hop.
What did Tom need to get from the shop?
Tom
Needed
to get popcorn
and
a mop.
Good. This story we will focus on the OG family, the dog and frog. Rocky the dog went for a jog. There was a lot of fog outside. Rocky rested on a log. A frog popped out and said, "Ribbit, ribbit." Rocky told the frog, "Let's jog." Go ahead, pause the video, and try to find OG family words. For number 1, in your notebooks, list all OG family words. Number 2, where did Rocky rest on? Okay, let's go ahead and list the OG family words.
Dog, jog, fog, log,
frog. And where did Rocky rest on?
Rocky rests on a log.
Good. In this story, we will focus on the OT family. The hot day. It is a hot day today. I sat on my cot. I wanted to eat ice cream and a lot of sprinkles. My mom said, "Don't put too much, your teeth will rot." I responded back saying, "I only got a few." Pause the video and go ahead and find the OT family words. For number 1, in your notebooks, list all OT family words. Number 2, why does the mom say, "Don't eat too much sprinkles"? So the OT family words are hot, cot, lot, rot, and got. And for number 2, why does the mom say don't eat too much sprinkles? The teeth can rot by eating too much sugar. Read and find words. Pause the video and try to read out the word and find the correct picture. Fill in the blank. Choose the correct word to complete each sentence. Bob and Tom went for a jog. The treasure box has a lock. I like to eat corn on the cob. So we hope you enjoyed our fun video today on short O words and keep learning. Bye.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Tom.
And Bob.
Okay. Hi, Bob. Can I have a corn on the cob?
Yeah.
Can
Tom, can you mop?
I can cook in a pot and talk. Come here. This is Bob.
I'm Bob too.
I'm Tom. This is Bob. And